Imagine a world where the most desirable laptop on the planet doesn't cost $1,000. For decades, the Apple tax was a barrier to entry, a wall that kept students, budget-conscious creators, and everyday users on the other side of the fence. But in 2026, Apple didn't just lower the wall, they tore it down with the first MacBook Neo. And yet, as the dust settles on that $599 revolution, a new ghost is appearing in the supply chain. A device that promises to fix every compromise of the first generation. This is the story of the MacBook Neo 2, the laptop that is about to make the Chromebook and the budget Windows PC extinct. If you are watching this, you know that the first Neo was a shock to the system. An A18 Pro chip in a Mac. No notch. A starting price that felt like a typo. It was a masterpiece of strategic compromise. But for the power users and the skeptics, the Neo 1 left questions unanswered. Why was the secondary port only USB 2.0? Why no Touch ID? And why, in 2026, did we still have a 60Hz display? Today, we are going beyond the rumors. We are diving into the leaked schematics, the 2nm silicon roadmaps, and the secret touch panel prototypes that suggest the Neo 2 isn't just a sequel. It's a takeover. In this video, we are going to deconstruct the MacBook Neo 2. We'll talk about the A19 Pro chip that brings iPhone 17 flagship power to the desktop, the controversial on-cell touch display that might finally bring a touch screen to the Mac, and why Apple is moving toward a 12GB RAM baseline for a budget machine. This is the deep dive into the machine that will define the second half of the decade. If you thought the first Neo was a game changer, you aren't ready for what comes next. Let's start with the heart of the sequel, the A19 Pro. To understand the Neo 2, you have to understand Apple's silicon strategy for the masses. The first Neo used the A18 Pro, the brain of the iPhone 16 Pro. It was efficient, it was silent, and it brought Apple intelligence to the entry level. But the Neo 2 is moving to the A19 Pro. Built on TSMC's refined 2nm process, this chip isn't just faster, it is fundamentally more aware. We are talking about a neural engine capable of 45 trillion operations per second. This isn't just for opening Safari. It's for localized real-time AI video editing and predictive multitasking that makes 8GB of RAM feel like 16GB. But the real shock? The RAM. Leaks suggest the Neo 2 will finally abandon the 8GB baseline. In a world of Apple Intelligence and large language models, 8GB is no longer enough to future-proof a machine. The Neo 2 is rumored to ship with 12GB of unified memory as standard. This is a massive shift. It means that the budget Mac will have the overhead to run multiple AI agents in the background while you're on a Zoom call or editing a 4K timeline. It's Apple's way of saying that entry level no longer means limited. Now let's talk about the holy grail of Mac rumors, the touchscreen. For years, Steve Jobs' Gorilla Arm philosophy kept touch away from the Mac. But in 2026, the lines have blurred. With macOS Tahoe bringing iPad-style widgets and a more tactile interface, the demand is higher than ever. Insider reports suggest the Neo 2 will feature an on-cell touch, Liquid Retina display. It won't be a 2-in-1 foldable, it will be a classic MacBook, but with a layer of glass